How do invasive species disrupt population dynamics in ecosystems? Breaking news in the world of ecology. The question on many minds today is how invasive species disrupt population dynamics in ecosystems. With recent reports highlighting alarming changes in biodiversity, this topic is more relevant than ever. Let's break it down to understand the impact of these invaders on our natural world. Invasive species can dramatically alter the balance of ecosystems. When they enter a new environment, they often lack natural predators. This absence allows them to reproduce at an alarming rate. As a result, they can outcompete native species for essential resources like food and space. This competition can lead to declines or even local extinctions of native populations. Take the example of invasive carp species in North American waterways. These fish consume vast amounts of plankton and aquatic vegetation. This consumption reduces food availability for native fish, disrupting the entire aquatic food web. Their presence can also alter nutrient cycling and physical habitats, further affecting native species. Invasive plants also play a role in changing ecosystems. While they can increase primary productivity, they may not provide the necessary support for native herbivores or pollinators. This lack of support disrupts established ecological relationships that have developed over time. Moreover, invasive species can indirectly influence population dynamics by modifying habitats. For instance, invasive herbivores can change vegetation patterns. This alteration impacts breeding and foraging opportunities for native animals. Such changes create a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, affecting various species and their interactions. Interestingly, communities with higher native species diversity tend to resist invasions better. Established species occupy ecological niches, limiting the chances for invaders to take hold. However, once an invasive species establishes itself, it can lead to long-lasting changes in species abundance and ecosystem stability. Invasive species disrupt population dynamics by competing for resources, altering habitats, and changing species interactions. These effects can lead to a decline in native biodiversity and altered ecosystem processes. The urgency of monitoring and managing invasive species is clear. Protecting ecological balance is vital for the health of our planet.